Hi children, here is an interesting exercise for you to practice. We are going to look at use of article and before vowels. What is the vowel? A, E, I, O, U. So use of article and before A, E, I, O, U. That's what we are going to look at, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this exercise. You know already, but just a practice, look and say aloud. Article and. And is used before words that begin with vowels A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so we're going to look at words. Look at the pictures. Look at the words. Learn. Okay, use of article and. Good. Let's go on to the exercise, and I want you to enjoy it. Look at this. What is this? Apple. Yes. Read an apple. Apple begins with letter A. That is a vowel A. So an apple. Read an apple. Look. An apple. A is vowel. So you write an apple. Look at the first letter. A. An apple. Read an apple. So article an is used before vowels. When you see apple, automatic you write an. Did you enjoy? Good. You're going to have more pictures to enjoy. Let's look at our next picture. Look. Your good friend who bites you. Yes? Ant. Read an ant. Again, ant begins with vowel A. An ant. Look. An ant. Begins with vowel A. So you write article an in front of the word. An ant. Are you enjoying? Isn't it interesting? Good. An ant. Good. Let's go on to our next lovely picture. Who uses this? A woodcutter, your daddy uses to cut wood. An axe. A. Again, article an begins. An article an is placed before vowel. Here, axe A. So you write an axe. Okay? An axe. Read an axe. A. Vowel. An is placed before it. An axe. An axe. Are you enjoying? Isn't it interesting? Let's take our next picture. Look. You like this? Where does it go? Up in the sky. Yes, aeroplane. Begins with letter A, vowel. An aeroplane. An aeroplane. Okay? An is placed before the vowel A. Look. An. A is a vowel. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N. Aeroplane begins with A. So we write an aeroplane. An aeroplane. Good. Let's take our next picture. Good. What is this? Arrow. Yes, you write and draw an arrow. Supposing you don't want someone to go the wrong direction, you draw the arrow. Arrow begins with letter A, vowel. So an arrow. An is placed before arrow because A, arrow begins with A vowel. So an arrow. A. It's an arrow. An arrow. Are you enjoying, children? It's very interesting, isn't it? Let's go on to our next picture. Look at this lovely, huge, big elephant. Elephant begins with letter E, vowel. An elephant. Good. An elephant. E, article an is placed before vowel E. So elephant. An elephant. An elephant. Good. Shall we take our next picture? Look. What do you use this for? When you write with your pencil and you make a mistake, you take this and rub it. Eraser, E. Begins with E. E is a vowel. And eraser. Yes? And eraser. You get eraser in different colors. And eraser. Article an is placed before vowel E. And eraser. Spell eraser. E-R-A-S-E-R. Eraser. And eraser. Let's look at our next picture. What is this? Egg. You'll have to eat brown egg. Yes. Egg. Spell egg. E-G-G. Egg. E is a vowel. And egg. And egg. And egg. E is a vowel. An egg. Article an is placed before the vowel E. An egg. Are you enjoying? Let's go on to our next picture. Look. What is it? What bird is that? Eagle. Eagle. E. Vowel. An eagle. So we read it as an eagle. Where does the eagle fly? Very high. Eagle flies very high. You can't catch him. He has a nest built right on top of a very tall tree or mountain. An is placed. Article an is placed before the vowel E. So, E-A-G-L-E, eagle. An eagle. Read. An eagle. An eagle. Good. Let's take another picture. Look, what do you have here? What is this? I. An I. I spelling begins with E. So vowel E. So an I. Article an placed before vowel E. An I. An I. How many eyes have you? You have two. Yes. An I. Good. Let's go on to a new picture. Do you have this? Touch. Yes. Spell E-A-R. Ear. Good. E. Is it a vowel? Good. An ear. Excellent. Article an is placed before the vowel E. Spell ear. E-A-R. Ear. Good. An ear. An ear. Are you enjoying the exercise? Placing article an before the vowels? Good. Let's go on to a new picture. Look what we have here. Engine. Your toy. Engine. Engine begins with the letter E. Article an is placed before vowel E. Spell engine. E-N-G-I-N-E. Engine. An engine. An engine. Use of article an placed before vowel E because engine begins with E. An engine. Is it interesting, children? Good. Let's take a new picture. Your favorite is come. What is this? Yummy. Ice cream. Ice cream begins with the letter I. Vowel I. So, an ice cream. An. Article an is placed before the vowel I. Ice. And ice cream. And ice cream. Yes? Are you enjoying? Good. Let's take a new picture now. Who uses this? Your teacher. Your daddy. What does he do? He takes his ink, fill it into the pen to write. You get different colors in it. Black and blue, green and red. Yes? And ink. This is ink inside. Ink begins with vowel I. I-N-K, ink. So, article an is placed before the vowel I and ink pot. This is an ink pot. An ink pot. Yes? Good. Let's go on to a new picture. What is this? A bee. Yes? Is it a bee? Yes. What is a bee? Bee is an insect. Yes. Bee is an insect. He collects honey for us. Insect. Now, an insect. Insect begins with letter I. I is a vowel. So we place an, article an, in front of the vowel. An insect. Read now. An insect. Insect spelling INSECT. An insect. An insect. Good. Let's take another picture. Whose house is this? It's the home of an igloo. What is the house name? It's made of ice. Igloo. Yes? So, you read it as an igloo. House of an Eskimo. House of an Eskimo is called igloo. He lives in an igloo house. Igloo begins with letter I. It's a vowel. So we place article an in front of I. An igloo. An igloo. Read an igloo. Home of an Eskimo. An Eskimo. Good. Let's go on to a new picture. Look. You love this, I'm sure. Juicy, yummy. It's a color and a fruit. What is it? Orange. Orange begins with letter O, which is a vowel. So we read it as an orange. Please get me an orange. You say an orange. I love to eat an orange. An. Article an is placed before vowel O because orange spelling begins with O. Spell orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. An orange. An orange. Isn't it looking juicy? Yummy? Yes. Let's take a new picture. Look. We're sitting here. Where do you find this bird? When do you see? Night. It's a night bird. You can only see at night. What is the name of the bird? Owl. Spell owl. O-W-L. Owl. O is a vowel. So article an is placed before the word owl. An owl. An owl. O-W-L. Owl. O is a vowel. We place article an before the letter O. Yes? An owl. Read an owl. Good. Let's look at another picture. The fastest running bird. Huge bird. What is the name of this bird? Ostrich. Again, the bird's name begins with the O. It's a vowel. So we write article an before that. An owl. An ostrich. An ostrich. O is a vowel. So we write article an before the word. Spell ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. An ostrich. An ostrich. Good. Shall we take another picture? Look. Olive. Have you eaten olive? The very tasty, yummy fruit. Yes? Olive. Got a large seed inside and the lovely taste it has. Olive fruit begins with letter O, which is a vowel. So we read it as an olive. An article an is placed before the word olive. O-L-I-V-E. Olive is a fruit. Read an olive. Okay? And we have many here. 1, 2, 3, 4. An olive. Okay? Good. Shall we take another picture? Look. Mommy cut this in the kitchen. Have you seen? Yes, if you go near and touch it, you cry. What's the name of the vegetable? Onion. begins with the letter O. O is a vowel, so we read it as an onion. An onion. O. It begins with O, which is a vowel, so we write it as an, article an before, because O is a vowel. Spell onion, O-N-I-O-N, onion. An onion. An onion. Good. Shall we take another picture? Look what we have. What shape is this? Long. It's not round. It is oval. Oval spelling begins with O. It's a vowel, so we put the article an before that and we read it as an oval shape. What is this? An oval. An oval. Oval spelling O-V-A-L. Oval. O is a vowel, so we put the article an before that. Read aloud. An oval. An oval shape. You like to draw an oval shape? What is almost like an oval shape? Yes, egg. Good. Let's look at another picture. What do you see here? When do you use this? You use it in the sun and rain. It's a beautiful, colorful umbrella. Umbrella begins with the spelling U, which is a vowel. So we write article an in front of it. Now we say an umbrella. An umbrella. An, article an is placed before the vowel U. Spell umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. An umbrella. An umbrella. This is an umbrella. Good. Let's look at another picture. What is this? It's a tall, long, high vessel and we call it urn. Urn. It's a long, huge jar. Urn spelling is U-R-N. U is a vowel, so we put the article an before it and read it as an urn. An urn. U is a vowel. An, article an is placed before it. An urn. Good. Shall we look at another picture? Look. Mummy has this in the kitchen. What is it called? Utensil. Yes. Utensil begins with the letter U, which is a vowel. So we put the article an before U. An utensil. Utensil. An utensil. U-T-E-N-S-I-L. Utensil.